Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to copy and paste text in Google Docs without formatting. This video should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Do not worry if you're not familiar with the interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. Now, let's get started. Here, I have a blank canvas document of the Google Docs. Now, before proceeding with anything, please make sure that your Google Chrome is completely up to date so that we will not encounter any error along the way. Now, I have here a text from a website that I want to copy and paste on my Google Docs document without formatting. As you can see, if I paste it here, there's a format in our text in which it has a background color, it has a different font, it has a font color, and the size is also different. Now, how can we paste this without this formatting? Now, if you have pasted the text already, all you have to do is to select all of it by either highlighting it manually or pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all of the text or the whole document, and then clicking this button right here on the upper panel of your screen, clicking this button, Clear Formatting. Once we hit it, as you can see, it returns to the normal formatting. No line spacing, no font, the default font, the default font size, and then we even have the default formatting, no indentation, and no spacing at all. And as simple as that, we have copied and pasted a long text without formatting from a website. If you learned something in this video, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. If you want more tutorials like this, we have a dedicated playlist for Google Docs tutorial on our YouTube channel. Please be sure to check it out. From here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.